3 centuries, Jaipur has taught the world a quiet lesson that beauty and ambition can live in the same breath, that a city built on geometry can still leave room for dreams. It is here, on this ground, that a chapter begins. After choosing carefully, Stride arrives in Jaipur on the ground of Jagannath University, one of Rajasthan's most respected names in education. Welcome to the Jaipur campus of Stride School of Business.
People often ask us, why Jaipur? The answer has very little to do with geography, but everything to do with where the future is being built. For many years, most opportunities were concentrated in India's metro cities. But that is changing and changing rapidly. Today, most exciting growth is happening in Tier 2 cities like Jaipur. New businesses are being built, entrepreneurship is on the rise, startup ecosystems are growing, and as technology continues to break barriers, talent no longer needs to move to the opportunity. Opportunity is moving closer to the talent. But while industries are changing rapidly, most education systems haven't kept pace. Students are still being prepared for a world that no longer exists. At Stride, we wanted to build something different. Not another traditional BBA program, but an AI native business school designed for the future. A place where students learn how to work with AI, solve real business problems, and build entrepreneurial thinking. And most importantly, develop skills that modern companies actually value. Because the students who succeed in the next decade won't be the ones who simply memorize answers. They will be the ones who can adapt, create, innovate, and they can use technology to generate value. That is the future Stride is preparing students for. And when we thought about where the future should grow, Jaipur felt like the perfect place to begin.
So this is our admin block where you can get support and guidance throughout the admission process and beyond. So this is our counseling room where future students can interact with our team, discuss about the program, and can get all the answers to their questions. Moving ahead, we have academic block, the heart of the campus. This is where students will attend classes, work on projects, and build skills that is needed for their future. As we continue our tour, you will notice outdoor spaces across the campus, designed for collaboration, conversation, and moments of relaxation between classes. And of course, no campus experience is complete without a cafeteria, a place where students meet, create memories that last long after the graduation as well. For the students coming from different cities, the hostel provides secure and comfortable living experience, helping them to feel like home while pursuing their graduation. And that's a quick look at Jaipur campus of Stride School of Business, a campus where tradition meets innovation and where students prepare for the opportunities of tomorrow. We look forward to welcoming you.